Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to create a simple PHP MVC framework. We already created the directory. As what we can see here, it is empty for now. And we name this PHP framework. First thing we need to do is we'll design our directory structure first. Create a live. So basically this directory live is the container of our libraries, the backbone of our um, uh, framework. Next we create the config. No, see config. So this directory will contain all our configurations of our uh, framework, simple framework. Just like for example the database configuration and other configurations. And next one we will create the MVC directory. So this directory will have three subdirectories, and we say controller. So the controller will be the container of all controllers, and next one is the view and the model. Okay, so this is the directory structure of our PHP MVC framework, and the reason why we created this structure is we'll group the file name or the file according to their nature. So like just for example, if they are controllers, so they belong to the controller directory, so that later in our future maintenance, or we call this one, uh, we can easily locate the file, and yeah, we can easily locate the file. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please click like and the button below, and you click also subscribe so that you can have updates for coming videos. Okay, so thank you, and thank you.